I've been in the business generally for more than 40 years and very focused always on technology. And for the last 40-ish years, quantum computing has always been 20 years away, right? And we really hadn't seen much progress at all. And so, I've been skeptical of anyone who proposes that it's about to transform anything.
Bitcoinzilla stands out with its simplicity and clarity. We've crafted an experience that anyone can dive into, whether you're a crypto expert or just a new to the crypto world. Now, guess who keeps his eye on us? The author of best-selling book Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki. And we want to take this opportunity and thank all the people who trusted us, and we read every comment. And the best part, it's free. Subscribing now means you will get all new information for free. Don't just follow the trends, stay ahead of them. Subscribe to Bitcoinzilla today and enjoy the new edge. Join Cathie Wood as she dives into the question, is quantum computing a threat to Bitcoin? Uncover insights on post-quantum cryptography, Bitcoin's preparedness, and its evolving role in the global financial system. Let's catch her up.
But I will say AI has been a wake-up call from this point of view. AI has been around. I mean, it's certainly been in science fiction, but, they've been working on it for 50, 60 years plus. But recently, the breakthroughs have been so dramatic. Transformer architecture and so forth, generative AI, that it is, slowly, then all at once. And so I just want to make sure that we're thinking about this correctly. I don't want to dismiss any possibilities because I do think technologies are moving ahead faster and faster. And I would love to know from these esteemed experts on technology, blockchain technology in particular, Bitcoin in particular, do they see any risks? Because they're working deeply in our right in the thick of it, and I'm sure are worried, and I know they're worried all the time about what could go wrong. That's why Bitcoin is the most secure network out there. So Rod, maybe even stepping back another step from the question you asked, for our listeners who probably aren't as, they don't know as much about the technology around Bitcoin and what quantum computing, that the threat is. Maybe we can set that up a little bit so that people understand why this threat surfaces every now and then. And that's interesting. And the reason I ask is, we're just...
The first major Bitcoin options expiry of 2025 is set to unfold today, with approximately 20,000 contracts expiring, holding a notional value of $1.93 billion. This event, while substantial, pales compared to last week's massive year-end expiry, suggesting a more muted impact on Bitcoin's spot market. Over the past 2 weeks, Bitcoin has been trading sideways, hovering near the $97,000 level, as traders eagerly await the market's reaction. The options contracts expiring today reveal a put/call ratio of 0.68, indicating a higher number of bullish call positions than bearish puts. The highest open interest is at strike prices of $120,000 and $110,000, reflecting bullish sentiment among derivatives traders. Deribit reported an optimistic trend in perpetual swaps, echoing pre-downturn market signals. Meanwhile, Ethereum joins the spotlight with 205,000 contracts worth $710 million also expiring today. As crypto markets hold steady, Bitcoin remains poised, eyeing the crucial $100,000 resistance level.
So is this flurry of publicity around Willow and so forth, is it going to change what you do on a day-to-day basis in terms of, as core developers, in terms of getting ready for the future? Or I think I'm back to the last question I asked. You've been, you're on watch and you're looking at all of this, and there are ways to work around the challenges that quantum computing will bring. we put in our big ideas, the institutional opportunity by 2030, our range was bear case 1%, and bull case 6.5%. And Frank, the middle part, what one was that? 4 or 5%. So we're on track. We've been, we wrote our first paper, Bitcoin, ringing the bell for a new asset class in 2016. So we've been waiting for this moment, and it couldn't have happened without all of you, obviously. And I think the Bitcoin brainstorm that we're doing has been also very important for a lot of people who really do want to understand
Absolutely.
what they own. And so when a controversy comes up like quantum, we want to tackle it, and we want to convey that you're on it, because obviously we can't do anything about it, but knowing that you have been thinking about it for years, that you might do something about it, is interesting. And for me, the most enlightening moment of this call is lightning, coming to life, which I love. We've been waiting for that for a long time. So very, very happy to hear that.
Ethereum's price saw a significant uptick on January 2, with Ethereum surging 3.4% to approach the $3,500 mark for the first time since December 19. The rally brought the cryptocurrency above its 50-day exponential moving average EMA on the daily chart, recovering from a dip below the indicator last week. This upward momentum reflects broader optimism in the crypto market, as Bitcoin reclaimed the $96,000 level, and other major altcoins like XRP and Solana also posted impressive gains. A notable factor in Ethereum's rise is the drop in Bitcoin dominance, which fell below 58% for the first time in 2 weeks. This decline suggests a shift in market dynamics, with altcoins gaining ground against Bitcoin, fueling talks of an altcoin season. Futures traders have also contributed to the bullish sentiment, with rising funding rates indicating strong interest in long positions. Technically, Ethereum is forming a bullish ascending triangle pattern, targeting a breakout above $3,500. A successful close above this level could propel Ethereum toward $4,000, marking a potential 15% gain. Market confidence continues to grow as Ethereum's exchange reserves decline, signaling increased demand from spot buyers, further boosting the altcoin's outlook. Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad Poor Dad, has unveiled an ambitious Bitcoin price prediction for 2025, suggesting the cryptocurrency could surge to between $175,000 and $350,000. His bold forecast follows Bitcoin's extraordinary performance in 2024, during which it skyrocketed 121% and reached a record high of $108,135 in December. Currently trading at $97,572, Bitcoin has captured market attention as it edges closer to the pivotal $100,000 mark. Kiyosaki's predictions come with a mix of enthusiasm and contradiction. Despite claiming in November that he would stop buying Bitcoin above $100,000, he later urged followers to accumulate more as prices climbed. His shifting stance underscores the unpredictable nature of crypto markets. Meanwhile, other experts, like Tom Lee of Fundstrat and Mike Novogratz's Galaxy, predict Bitcoin could hit $250,000 and $150,000, respectively, driven by factors like institutional adoption and the potential establishment of a U.S. Bitcoin reserve. And do not forget to subscribe to Bitcoin Seller. The most important news will reach your inbox on a daily basis and for free. I do not know why you have not subscribed yet. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more daily updates. Remember, knowledge is power, and we're here to empower you on your financial journey. Until next time, happy investing.